so high, all these diamonds cool you down. Got a lot of guap every day I walk around. Baby girl, I'm up, X on mine, put it down. Just give me a chance.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe. If you're not, welcome back. But today I wanted to vlog because we are going to see the fireworks later on. So yeah, I'm gonna do, should I do my routine? I'm gonna cut half of it because you already saw in the first video. And I want to get my nails done so we can see how that goes, like get it or not. But y'all, sorry I look a mess. I know I'm in my headpiece, but change of plans. We are getting ice cream right now, so I'm gonna get ready for that. And then I think when we come back, I'm gonna get my nails done. Y'all, I know this vlog all over the place, but I brushed my teeth, I did my face bar, and now I'm just doing my skincare. So I'm gonna do this real quick. Hold on. I'm kind of rushing low key, so if I'm moving fast, that is why. Put this back. Let this air dry a little. And I go with this. Come back back too. We gotta ring a bell. Yeah. Told y'all I gotta hurry up. Hold on. I press that. Like your sunscreen. Oh shh. Y'all, we finally out. This is my outfit. Oh my god, don't mind that trampoline, but it's what I'm wearing. It's so hot out here, like y'all don't understand. Like I'm already hot, but yeah. Y'all, so we are at Berks Eagle in Hamtramck because the original place we was going to was closed. Y'all, that's what I got. Is a brownie fudge from Igloo. So right now I am at the gas station. I don't even know how to shut. Right now, guys, we're back at home, and we're chilling for a little until we go to the fireworks. Super hot, you can see I'm sweating. Y'all, we finally about to leave. The fireworks start at 10. We gotta find parking, we gotta walk. But we finna have a blast regardless. And yeah. Y'all, we are on the streets of downtown. I'm low-key scared because all the white ends are here. Y'all, we might miss it, or we might see like half of it. I don't know yet. Y'all, we almost close. It's like right in front of us, but it's tree in a way, so we trying to move closer. See, because they lighting little ones up and the buildings is blocking. So yeah, so far I rated a 6 out of 10. Now everybody leaving. Y'all, the city crazy as hell. Y'all, that's the end of the vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed. We've been home for a while now. I forgot to do the little end clip. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that. Thank you.